Ever stared at a product online, picturing it flying off your virtual shelves, only to be hit with a wave of doubt? You know, that nagging voice whispering, "Where do I even find a reliable supplier?" Or, even worse, "Is this whole dropshipping thing just a scam?" If you've ever felt that, especially when the name SaleHoo pops up, you're absolutely in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the question that's been on the minds of countless aspiring entrepreneurs. Is SaleHoo safe? Let's be honest, the internet is a wild west of opportunities, but also, unfortunately, a breeding ground for scams. You see those flashy ads, those promises of instant riches, and it's easy to get swept up in the hype. But then the reality sets in. You need genuine suppliers, you need verified products, and you need a platform you can trust. Now, before we dissect SaleHoo, let's establish some context. Why is finding a reliable supplier so crucial? Well, imagine this. You've built a beautiful online store, your marketing is on point, and customers are flooding in. But then your supplier sends out faulty products, or worse, nothing at all. Your reputation tanks, refunds pile up, and your dream of a thriving business crumbles. That's the nightmare scenario. This is where platforms like SaleHoo come into play. They position themselves as a bridge, connecting you with vetted suppliers and simplifying the often daunting process of sourcing products. But does it live up to the hype? Is it truly a safe haven for e-commerce beginners and seasoned sellers alike? To answer that, we need to break down what SaleHoo actually offers. Essentially, it's a directory of suppliers and a market research tool. Think of it as a comprehensive database that helps you find manufacturers, wholesalers, and dropshippers across a wide range of product categories. They claim to have rigorously screened these suppliers, ensuring they're legitimate and reliable. One of the key selling points of SaleHoo is its focus on dropshipping. If you're new to e-commerce, dropshipping is a model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in stock, making it an attractive option for beginners. But, and this is a big but, the success of your dropshipping business hinges entirely on the reliability of your supplier. If they mess up, you pay the price. So, the question remains, can SaleHoo truly guarantee the safety and reliability of its suppliers? Let's look at the features. SaleHoo offers a supplier directory, a market research lab, and a community forum. The supplier directory is the core of their service, providing access to thousands of suppliers with detailed information about their products, shipping policies, and contact details. The market research lab helps you identify trending products and analyze market demand, which is crucial for making informed decisions about what to sell. And the community forum allows you to connect with other sellers, ask questions, and share experiences. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the safety aspect. SaleHoo claims to have a stringent vetting process for its suppliers. They say they verify their legitimacy, check their track record, and ensure they meet certain quality standards. However, it's important to remember that no platform can guarantee 100% safety. Ultimately, you're still responsible for conducting your own due diligence. Here's how you can assess the safety of SaleHoo and its suppliers. Supplier verification. Even though SaleHoo claims to vet suppliers, always double-check. Look for reviews, contact the suppliers directly, and ask for samples. Don't rely solely on the information provided by the platform. Market research. Use SaleHoo's market research tools to analyze product trends and demand, but also cross-reference this information with other sources. Look at Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and other market research platforms. Community feedback. Engage with the SaleHoo community forum. Read reviews, ask questions, and learn from the experiences of other sellers. This can provide valuable insights into the reliability of suppliers and the overall effectiveness of the platform. Customer support. Test SaleHoo's customer support. See how responsive they are to your inquiries and how helpful they are in resolving issues. A responsive customer support team is a good indicator of a reputable platform. Refund policy. Understand SaleHoo's refund policy. They offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So keep this in mind when you are testing the site. Look for red flags. Be wary of suppliers that offer unusually low prices, demand upfront payments, or have poor communication. These are common red flags of scams. Now, let's talk about pricing. SaleHoo operates on a subscription model, offering access to its directory and tools for a fee. This is a crucial aspect to consider. Is the price worth the value you receive? The answer to this depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're a beginner who's struggling to find reliable suppliers, SaleHoo can be a valuable resource. The directory and market research tools can save you a lot of time and effort. However, if you're an experienced seller with established supplier relationships, you might not find as much value in the platform. Another factor to consider is the competition. There are other supplier directories and market research tools available online. It's worth comparing SaleHoo with its competitors to see which platform offers the best value for your money. So, is SaleHoo safe? The answer is, it's safer than blindly searching for suppliers on the internet. SaleHoo provides a layer of security by vetting its suppliers and offering tools to help you make informed decisions. However, it's not a foolproof solution. You still need to conduct your own due diligence and be aware of the risks involved. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use SaleHoo depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're a beginner looking for a reliable platform to find suppliers, it can be a valuable resource. But if you're an experienced seller or someone who prefers to conduct their own research, you might find other options more suitable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.